Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to lock an element in Wix. This is particularly useful when you want to keep certain design elements fixed in place while you work on other parts of your site, or when you want elements to stay visible as visitors scroll through your page. Before we dive in, if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear with several choices. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you to the specific site you'll be working on. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have in place. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website where you want to lock an element. It's always good practice to double-check you're working on the correct site before making any changes. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it fairly easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next stage of the process. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you have full control over your site's design elements. From here, take some time to look for the specific element you wish to lock. It's worth noting that Wix technically uses a different term for what we commonly call element locking, but the purpose and function remain exactly the same. Once you've located and selected the element you want to lock, right-click on it. A settings menu will appear with various options for managing that element. From the list of options displayed, click on Pin to Screen. This is Wix's way of locking elements in place, and it's incredibly useful for keeping things like navigation bars, contact buttons, or promotional banners visible as users scroll. After clicking Pin to Screen, a dedicated menu will appear before you. This menu gives you precise control over where your element will be positioned. You can set the position of this element using the grid system provided, and you'll also find options to adjust its placement accurately using the horizontal and vertical offset controls. These offset settings allow you to fine-tune the exact position down to the pixel, ensuring your element sits exactly where you want it on the screen. And there you have it, your element is now locked in place on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.